Originally, I originated from outside of Lurra, between Lurra and Burr, on the Tipperary side, I might say. And I grew up there and played a bit of hurling with Carrigan Riverstown. And I did that until I decided to leave Ireland we went to Brisbane. And then come 81, 82, we decided we should really form some clubs, and that's where the club thing started back in the early 80s. And then in the 90s, the women came along, and that really strengthened us up a lot more. You know, the women's football was good. And last year we had the introduction of camogie. And again, it's with all the Irish girls out, and 4 states played in the camogie championships in Brisbane last year. I think there's a lot more to be got out of the organisation if we could get some new people in. It takes one person to stay and keep the old fire, as they used to say in Ireland, make sure you rake the fire, because you don't to go out. You know, you do these things and you just, it's all a day-to-day stuff. And you get in so far, you're a bit of an addict really. You know, you just keep at it and you don't know how to cure yourself and you don't know how to get out. And we've been through so many great people, and in more recent years, sadly, we lost some young people out of our organisation, and I found that difficult to handle. And I see that whatever I get is something they've worked for as much as I've worked for it. And it's important that we don't forget them.